All right. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Sejef. I want to teach you directed numbers today. That's what I'm going to do. So I want you to get ready. You have your pen, your paper. This is directed numbers for Form 1s. Yeah, Form 1s, term 1. I think that will be fine. I hope you are ready. I'm recording. I will put a little bit of Shona to help people understand. Okay, so let's kick start now. All right. Directed numbers. These are numbers that have got signs in simple terms. Okay. A number which has a plus behind it, has a minus behind it. That's a directed number in simple terms. So if numbers are given signs, they become what? Directed numbers. Okay. So for example, I want to give you the rules for directed numbers. So I have my pen here. So I want to start with the rule to add numbers. Okay. Let's start with addition. All right. Look at this number that is appearing on the screen. There is plus 2, right? There's plus 2 and plus 2. What do we do in such cases? I've given you these basic steps. Number one, both numbers are positive. This is plus 2 plus 2. So both numbers are positive. I think you can see from there. Then the rule is if signs are the same, so in this case, the signs are the same. What do? You add the numbers. So you are going to add normal addition, the grade 7 addition, where you add 2, all right? You add 2 plus 2. Okay, here I did it for you. 2 plus 2. What do you get? The answer is 4. But you're not done, okay? Hold a little bit. You keep the sign. You keep the what? The sign. So we maintain the sign. So we put a plus on this what? 4, like this. Then you are done. So plus 2 equals to plus 4. All right. Let me also continue with my recording. Question number 2. All right. So we are saying signs are the same. Look at minus 2 minus 2. Both numbers are negative. Okay. Listen, get this one right. Both numbers are negative. This is negative 2 and negative 2. Both numbers are negative. The rule is signs are the what? Same. All right. If signs are the same, what do? You add the two numbers, ignoring the sign for the moment. Then you say 2 plus 2. You get the answer again as 4, but you're not yet done. You continue with the last step. You keep the sign. So the sign was negative, and you maintain the negative sign like that. Okay, well done, Sejef. This is Sejef on the first slide, and this is a summary. So we are saying plus 2, look at this one, plus 2 signs are the same, add the two numbers, maintain the sign, you get plus 4. Minus 2 signs are the same. What do? Add the two numbers to plus 2, you get 4, and you maintain the sign, becomes negative 4. Excellent. All right. Let's move on to the next slide. I don't want to make it long. I want to see how do we subtract, where are the circumstances where we subtract. Okay, this is just a summary of what we did in the previous slide. Plus 6 plus 4, what do you get? We get plus 10. Signs are the same. We add the two numbers, we maintain the sign. Look at this one. Minus 5 minus 7, what do you get? Minus 12. The signs were the same. Minus 5 minus and minus, say 5 plus 7, you get 12, you maintain the sign. But I want to introduce you to another rule, okay, where signs are different. Okay, where signs are what? Different. Where signs are what? Different. Okay, please, I think you need also to be ready for the new rule. If signs are different, look at the situation. We've got plus 9 minus 3. All right. What do? You subtract, normal subtraction. You subtract and then take the sign of what? Of the bigger number. Of the what? Bigger number. Get the rule right. If signs are what? Different, what do? Subtract and take the sign of who? bigger number, bigger number, bigger number. All right, let's do that one. Plus 9 minus 3. What do you do here? You subtract, normal subtraction. 9 bigger number minus smaller number. 9 minus 3. What do you get? You get 6. You're done, but you're not yet done. For the sign, you take the sign of the bigger number. Which one is a bigger number? 9 and 3. 9 is bigger, so you take positive sign, you put positive. That's why I got plus 6. Since 9 is bigger and is positive. All right, let's move on to the last one. Signs are different again. We are adding or subtracting. Fine, look at this one, addition and subtraction. These rules do not apply for multiplication and division. Take note. All right, let's move on. Look at this one. There is minus 8 plus 2. The signs are different. There's a minus. There is what? A plus. What do? You subtract, normal subtraction. You say bigger number minus a smaller number. 8 minus 2. What do you get? You get 6. So you get 6, but you're not done. You're not done. What do? You take the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number. Which one is bigger? 8 and 2 is 8. So 8 is a negative. So you put a minus like that. Well done. All right, let me finish this one and see. I want you to practice a little bit. Let me do the first 5. Plus 6 plus 4 signs are the same as the two numbers made in the sign. We get what? Plus 10. Well done. Minus 5 minus 7. The signs are the same as the two numbers. Maintain the sign. Okay. Minus 5 minus 7 signs are the same. You add the two numbers and take and maintain. Okay. Maintain the sign, which is a minus. All right. Minus 12. All right, look at the signs are different now. When the signs are different, you subtract 9 minus 3. What do you get? You get 6, but take the sign of the bigger number. Of the what? Bigger number. All right, look at that one. Let me do the second from last. Minus and plus, what do? You subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 2, you get 6, but you take the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number. All right. Then you do the last one, plus and minus. What you do, you subtract 12 minus 5. What you get? 7, but take the sign of the bigger number. All right, is your homework. Do number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I think this is Jeff checking out. Please send me a WhatsApp message on my number +263 773 536 682. Say Jeff checking out. I will see you in our next